Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be covering the very trending cryptocurrency called Cardano. We will be looking into the potential this cryptocurrency has and the possibilities of making its holders millionaires in a very small time. Before we get into the video, allow us to remind you of liking this video and also subscribe to this channel. This will encourage us to bring out more videos for you in a much more prompt manner. So, now that we've said that, let us jump into today's video without any further ado. Cardano has been bringing in a lot of expectations and has been raising a lot of eyebrows with its current performance. They say that Cardano has the potential to become 100 times stronger and turn all its holders into millionaires. With the predictions in line and all over the YouTube of Cardano skyrocketing in 2021, we believe it's our duty to tell you what exactly is happening around you in the Cardano world. This will certainly be helpful for you to determine a lot of things. Having said that, allow us to also remind you that we are not financial advisors, and none of the information being shown here is advised to be applied in your real life. The videos are purely for entertainment. The best person to advise you of your portfolio will be your financial advisor. Make sure you do not get unequivocally convinced by the end of this video, and take your own decisions based on your own due diligence. Throughout the next bull run in 2024, Cardano is expected to reach above all limits and turn extremely profitable for all its holders. Knowing all that we know and what we're going to tell you, thinking of Cardano turning 100 times higher does not even make anyone go gaga. Cardano has blended the remarkable technology of proof-of-stake blockchain along with a well-renowned team of engineers. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who was also the founder of Ethereum. He aims at having one of the most decentralized platforms in the crypto space. He speaks of making many changes in the world through Cardano to make the world a better and an easier place. Charles prioritizes the impact that Cardano could make rather than the price that it will fetch. He also asserts that long-term cryptocurrencies have the potential to make enough wealth for generations to come in your family. It will certainly benefit you and your family for a very long time. It was on 3rd February that the Cardano public testnet was successfully hard forked. It also applied the Goguen Mary update that transformed Cardano into a multi-asset network, bringing smart contract capabilities. This has been the update that the entire community has been waiting for a long time. The latest feature that Cardano can claim to own and be proud of is the Marlow programming language. The reason why it's gaining so much popularity is due to the fact that it allows people with no programming experience to create smart contracts. It is a special purpose language for smart contracts on Cardano. It allows contracts to be written in the language of finance rather than using a general purpose language on the blockchain, which will prove much more efficient than the system that is being used elsewhere now. Furthermore, they delegated 3.2 million ADA to Cardano community stake pools. The second phase of the Cardano roadmap is called Shelly. It was a massive deal as it brought in staking into Cardano. Staking has been in demand for a long time, and these additions were therefore much needed for the users of Cardano. Many users prefer using staking in the cryptocurrency community. This addition also increased the market cap of Cardano significantly. Mainnet was another project that was targeted for the end of February. The system started after the final testing in the same month. The users will be able to create their own tokens, as the Goguen Mary system is also in place. Decentralized finance and numerous other businesses use these. Tokenization can actually be used to create financial products and economic models. They can also connect real-world goods, services, and activities to the digital space. They demoed their ERC token converted in October 2020, giving the ERC20 tokens on Ethereum network 3 options to migrate their ERC20 tokens to native tokens based on Cardano. The first option that has been provided is to airdrop newly minted tokens to the destination wallet. This, in short terms, is cloning the token. The second option sounds a bit hard. It is to burn the ERC20 tokens using an Ethereum smart contract to mint an equal amount of Cardano native token. The third option is to lock the ERC20 token into a smart contract on Ethereum and minting an equal amount of native tokens on Cardano. Through these measures, it has optimized the experience of token issuance. In a broad manner, they did so by making tokens first-class citizens rather than just smart contracts. They can now reuse the entire Cardano infrastructure. These reasons turn imperative while thinking of the reasons why the ERC20 token holders could move to Cardano in the future. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, wants as many ERC token holders as possible to move to Cardano. Notwithstanding this, he is also ready to help these holders get the migration process done smoothly without any losses. The next reason why Cardano was in the news lately was following a leading digital asset firm called Grayscale filed a Grayscale Cardano Trust with the Delaware Corporate Registry. This also created a huge excitement that also led to a hike in the prices of ADA. Grayscale, in turn, grabbed a lot of attention after purchasing a huge amount of Bitcoin on behalf of its investors. The year 2020 started with $2 billion worth of assets under management for Grayscale, and the same ended with $20.2 billion worth of assets under management. Another milestone was the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to become the fastest growing investment product in the world. It grew from $1.8 billion to $17.5 billion. Charles claims that these figures are proactive in nature. This means that Grayscale proactively makes reservation filings, although a filing doesn't mean that a trust will be launched. He advised all users to manage expectations accordingly. Another important platform for Cardano is the Plutus. Plutus Core is a smart contract language embedded into the ledger. It is based on Haskell formal programming principles, allowing developers to write high-assurance applications that interact with Cardano. Therefore, Haskell was chosen as the basis of the Plutus platform. In short, it provides the ability to write more secure code. The expectations are precisely kept through the use of Haskell-based Plutus platform. The provision that it can be tested before implementation makes it even better. The major purpose of Plutus Playground is to provide an environment for writing and testing smart contracts before they're released on the Cardano blockchain. The need of installing specific software for the execution of the purpose gets eliminated. The interface of the new version is split into 3 sections: the editor, the simulation, and the transaction. It can also act as a training tool for developers without advanced Plutus skills. In case you want to build smart contracts on Cardano, but you do not have the technical skills, your issue can be resolved by building smart contracts on Cardano through Plutus, while using the modular programming language. The free Marlowe courses online make things even easier. Now, having learned all of this, let us understand how it all adds up to you being a millionaire. The best way to make a fair amount of money through ADA is to utilize the passive income mechanism. ADA, held on the Cardano network, represents a stake in the network, with the size of the stake proportional to the amount of ADA held. The ability to delegate or pledge a stake is fundamental to how Cardano works. If you want to achieve passive income through Cardano, your objective must be to gain as many staking pools as possible. This is imperative to achieve high levels of decentralization. If the pools become too saturated, the rewards go down. Cardano has no locking period. This means that your staked ADA is still liquid, giving you the provision to unstake your ADA at any time. This feature is not seen even in the best cryptocurrencies, like that of Ethereum. There exists a lock-in period of around a year. By staking your ADA, you will also receive a 4 to 5% APY on it, depending on the staking pool. Cardano is already on the top level and is on the way to the $1 mark. The current prices are at $0.73. Bringing it to Coinbase or other platforms like that of Gemini will make it easier for average investors as well to start working with this and start purchasing Cardano. The price of ADA in the current bull run certainly depends a lot on the market cap of Bitcoin. Cardano has already seen a 4 times movement since November. By the end of the bull run in 2021, we believe that Cardano will touch the mark of $8. This will make it a little over 13 times movement from the current price of ADA. The current bull run will mostly be dominated by Ethereum, but this might not be the case in the coming years. The dominance is mostly due to the institutional investors. However, even if the Grayscale Trust works, as Charles said, it would always be advisable to manage your expectations accordingly. So that is it from our side. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Also, comment your views on Cardano. What do you think it'll achieve? Until next time, happy investing!